So this is how you can create an FPV looking drone shot by using just your iPhone. All you need to do is to record a video of an object like I am doing here. I did a good rotation along the car so that the camera can record every single detail of the car and the environment around it. And then I downloaded this application. So now when you open the application, you have an option to upload a video by clicking this plus sign. Go to upload, select the video, and it will prepare the video for upload. You can give it a title, then you click upload. It takes about 10 minutes to create this 3D mesh of this object and its surroundings. Look at this beautiful render. The next thing you want to do is to click on this camera icon and click on this custom keyframe button. The next page will ask you to set the ratio. Now I am looking for a starting point. It has a very beautiful opening between these two trees, so I chose to start the video from here. So I clicked on add keyframe and started tracking in the camera until I got to this perfect point where I wanted to add another keyframe. So this is how I added all the movement. Then I pressed this render button and it took a bit of time. After all this, I imported this clip to my laptop and added some speed ramp and this FPV sound, and this is what it looks like.